Hi everybody, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Today we're going to work in Spelling Station, pages 56 and 57. So go ahead and pause this video to get your Spelling Station book so that you can follow along with me. The station rule on page 56 talks about the air sound. Remember that in English, the same letters or spelling patterns don't always make the same sound. The same letters can make different sounds depending on what word they are in. The same sound can also be spelled using different spelling patterns. Let's explore this more in today's lesson. We can spell the air sound in 3 different ways. We can spell it using the spelling pattern A-I-R, like in the word chair. We can spell it A-R-E, like in the word care. And we can spell it E-A-R, like in the word bear. Let's read the words in the word bank together. Go ahead and read with me. Air, fair, pear, hair, chair, stairs, aircraft, repair, lair, and dairy. I'm going to use the dictionary to look up lair. A lair is a noun that means a wild animal's resting place, especially one that is well hidden. An example sentence is, the badgers carried the food back to their lair. Some synonyms that mean the same thing are den, burrow, or hole. Let's look up dairy as well. Dairy is an adjective that means containing or made from milk. Let's read the sentences in part 3. Complete the sentences using AIR words. A. The bear snuggled up in its Make sure to use the word bank to find the correct word and the correct spelling. B. I brushed my C. We buy our milk and cheese at the D. I like to go for walks in the fresh E. I sat still on my Challenge. Can you write a few sentences using air words? Let's go to the station rule on page 57. The station rule on page 57 talks about the EAR spelling pattern. The spelling pattern EAR can make the sounds ear, like in deer, air, like in bear, but notice it's still spelled EAR, but it makes the sound air, and like in earth, EARTH. So the same 3 letters, EAR, can make 3 different sounds depending on the word. Ear, air, and Let's read the words in the word bank on page 57. Go ahead and read them with me. And try to figure out what sound the EAR spelling pattern makes in these words. Deer, here, beard, near, year, ear, clear, spear, tear. Tear, this word, T-E-A-R, is a homonym because you could also read it like tear. You spell it the same, but it sounds different depending on what the sentence means. And the last word is shears. Let's look up shears in the dictionary. Shears is a noun that means a cutting instrument in which two blades move past each other like scissors, but typically larger, like garden shears. Let's read the sentences in part 3. A. The farmer cut the sheep's wool with B. I can music playing. C. I live the park. D. I will move up a class next. E. My uncle grew a Once you finish, if you would like, I added an expert slide to page 9. In the expert slide, you need to sort the words below into the corresponding columns. So remember how we talked about that the spelling pattern E-A-R can make 3 different sounds depending on the word. It could sound like ear in deer. It could sound like air in bear. And it could sound like in earth. Read the words below and drag them to the correct column depending on which sound the spelling pattern makes.